Hi, hello, my lovely members. Today I will start my session. Before that, I will give you a short message because I got at almost 10 comments that last 3 days I could not upload a video just because I'm going with a huge work pressure, and along with that, my son is going to have his final examination within the end of this month. I don't know the exact date also. So up to the March first week, I'll be quite busy because I teach him three subjects. Okay, so it's a huge pressure upon me rather than him. He is appearing for the exam. So for that reason, I'll be to some extent irregular up to the first week of March, and after that I'll be regular. Okay, so don't think that I'm not actually posting videos. There are some sort of problems from my end just because of this managing the time. Okay, so I will be trying from the next week to give at least 2 videos within a week so that you can stay tuned with us. Okay, so today's topic is actually someone texted me in LinkedIn. This is a very good topic. I cannot actually recall his or her name. Perfection versus imperfection. So someone texted me this topic. Yeah, it's a very good topic to discuss actually. The thing is that, and it's also a very motivating topic. Okay, fine. Thank you so much. And please keep watching and give me comments whether you are liking my video or not. So today my topic will be perfection versus imperfection. So let's come to the point first. Okay. So what is perfection? Actually, perfection does not have any definition because the concept of perfection is very elusive. Why it's elusive? It's just like the golden deer concept in case of Ram. When Ram was chasing the golden deer, it was just hiding somewhere else. And when Ram was finding again the golden deer, it was hiding to some extent some other places. Okay, it's just like the concept of golden deer. Whenever you are trying to catch perfection, it will go away from your attainable desire or like that. Okay, so perfection actually does not exist in this world. The concept of perfection, the whatever is set by us, the rule of perfection is set by us, and whenever we attain it, is it possible to become perfect for a longer period of time? No, dear, it's not possible. So the concept of but perfection is needed for our proceedings, for our growth, for our success, everything else. Today I will discuss these things, that why perfection is needed for success. Whenever you are attaining something, say suppose a student is going for the examination. He has scored last year 98 out of 100 in mathematics, and now he is having a craze that I'll have to get 100 out of 100, because the happiness after getting 100 out of 100, what is that happiness? He or she wants to feel it. Yeah, so actually he is or she is chasing her dreams. Okay, and he or she is to some extent working hard towards with the mathematics, so that this year they should not even forget to put a comma or semicolon in the paper, so that half marks will not be deducted from their total marks. So say the student is getting 100 out of 100. Wow, it's great. It's great to have 100 out of 100 in mathematics especially. I'm perfect. I got that. I made it possible. Okay, fine. You made it possible, dear. But is it possible constantly to get 100 out of 100 each and every examination in which you are appearing for in the subject mathematics especially? No. My answer is no, and it's the reality. The reality is imperfection. Perfection is elusive. It's not our reality. It's not in our reality. it's the dream. It's the dream to be perfect. Why this happens? Actually, this happens because we are basically operating in a multitasking environment or multi-dynamic environment. In an office, you must say you are working, I'm a specialized HR. Okay, I'm working with HR arena. So whenever actually I am by professional HR consultant, I'm running my own business. But the thing is that whenever I'm going to meet a client, that is completely out of my specialization. My specialization is in HR. I'm dealing with the recruitment, I'm dealing with the salary process, I'm dealing with the joining process, everything else. But whenever I am going for my company to meet a client, that is basically a hardcore marketing. And I'm doing it. So whenever I'm going to do this, at first, to some extent, I will be imperfect. In this video also, to some extent, I am imperfect to somewhere else. Am I perfect in this video? Completely no, dear, no. So imperfection is the reality because we are working in a multi-dynamic environment, multitasking environment, where actually we have to deal with various problems in our life every day, in the work front, in the family front, everywhere else. And can we be perfect in each and every arena, each and every front? No. The simple answer is no. You are perfect in your field. Whenever you are channelizing your activity to some other arena or other field, you should be imperfect, and that is the reality. Whenever I'm going to marketing, I am delivering my speech, I should be imperfect. I must be imperfect. Because this imperfection will lead me towards success. One day in any of my video, I will be completely perfect. I am chasing that dream. And also that in whenever I am going to market my company, I am going for the marketing of my own company. Somewhere else I am imperfect because marketing is not my specialization. But in case where I am working, say suppose I am working in a company as an HR, but for the need of the company is sending me for its marketing, for the need, you may say. And whenever I am imperfect, I cannot generate that much of lead, and I'm coming to my boss and reporting him that I failed in generating this lead. They will say you are imperfect. You are an imperfect girl. You are nothing. You cannot do anything for our company. I should have to listen all these things because I am not a specialized person in that field. But the thing is that the reality is that each and every company today is hiring such an employer who are basically multitasking. But whenever, the reality is, my dear friend, whenever you are multitasking, you have some imperfection. Whenever you are coming out from your shell of your specialization, you should be imperfect. You can make yourself better, but it needs several attempts. And you cannot make yourself 100% perfect. You can go towards 99%, 98%, but you cannot be 100%. It's not the reality. It cannot happen. In HR field also, am I 100% generating 100% for my own company? Generating some, you may say, growth for my own company? No, dear. Whenever we are closing some of the you may say requirements, so in some sort of requirements we fail. I personally fail. I cannot close some of the requirements which are very much tough. Sometimes it comes to us. This is our imperfection. Nobody is perfect in this imperfect world. The world is to some extent imperfect. But the thing is that whenever we know that imperfection cannot be avoided, should we move from there? No. My answer is no in this case also, because if we are not chasing imperfection, we cannot get our version better. We cannot make our version better. We cannot get our own potentiality to its fullest form. We all have potentiality. But if we are not chasing the imperfection, we cannot get its 100% of our potentiality, which we personally is having. We are having those potentiality, and whenever we are chasing some imperfection, we actually is pulling out our potentiality from ourselves, and that's giving us the success. Success is also very elusive. I told you that once to attain something is very, very easy. Okay, to attain something, I want this, I'm getting this. This path is very easy. But staying on that peak is the toughest thing, and it's due to this imperfection. It's due to this imperfection which we cannot make 100% perfect. In the beauty world, say, we have fixed a perfect body shape. We have fixed. This is not, this concept has been fixed by us, that girls should have this and this body shape. But say, if one girl is having that particular shape, but that girl's, beauty of the face is not that much of perfect. Beauty is also cannot be perfect. Maybe that girl is actually having that body shape, but that is also after hard toiling. By going to the gym, by swimming, by hard exercising, she is getting a good body shape. But she is not that much looking beautiful. But still, the advantages she is having here is that whenever she is constantly exercising, going to the gym, going to the swimming, she is actually developing a good health. She will not having any blood sugar, she will not having any high BP, extra advantages she is getting. So whenever we are actually chasing the dream that we should be perfect in this world, actually we are hiring some extra advantages which helps us to get success. So actually imperfection leads us towards perfection, and this chasing perfection is actually giving us the success, growth, enlightenment, everything else. So for chasing success, you need perfection. You need perfection. Whenever a boy is getting that, in my earlier example, I just threw an example that a boy was getting 98% in mathematics. That craze of having 100 out of 100, that is to be in a fuller happiness, that is the happiness to that particular boy, that I should get 100 out of 100. That chasing that dream, actually chasing the perfection, because the person who is getting 98 or 97 is no doubtedly can get 100 out of 100, but that is due to his or her imperfection. He or she lost two numbers, 3 numbers, like that. And whenever she or he is chasing that imperfection, that I will have to be perfect and I will have to get 100 out of 100, so actually she or he is moving towards the success, towards the fulfillment of his or her goal. So perfection versus imperfection says that nothing is perfect in this world. Nobody is perfect. But still, we have to put attempt to be a perfect human being, because this is required for attaining our goal, for achievement of success, for enlightenment of ourselves, for the achievement of our better versions, which is very much needed. Otherwise, the growth will get stuck. If there is actually the dream of there is no dream of imperfection, the growth will get stuck in any field. Your personal growth will get stuck. So we need perfection. But actually, there is no perfection in this imperfect world. Imperfection is reality. Perfection is an illusion. Once you get it also, it will be staying away from you in the next attempt. So perfection, actually, the concept itself is very elusive, you know. So let me close the discussion here. I hope I am to some extent clear that what is perfection and what is imperfection in this video, and whichever is required, perfection or imperfection, for the future goal, future development, you may say. So, you know, we will be meeting in the next video, and I will be trying to be perfect in my next video to some extent, though being perfect, 100% perfect, actually does not exist. Thank you so much for being the part of my family and giving me some topics. So continue giving me the topics. I'll be with new videos in new chapters. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.